सो आपके हिसाब से इंडिया में रहने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट सिटी कौन सी?
Itanagar because
I think it's Mizoram because
So I found it really peaceful.
I think Kashmir.
I will say Delhi because
Oh my god.
So I've been born and brought up in Delhi. So
तो पुणे के बारे में सबसे बेस्ट बात क्या है आपके हिसाब से?
जमशेदपुर का अपना हिस्ट्री है, टाटा जमशेदजी
चंडीगढ़ एंड व्हाई? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिल्ली?
Delhi.
I love Delhi.
What makes a city a good city?
Cleanliness, the hospitality of the people.
वहाँ का कल्चर।
Also the safety, like also other factors like pollution and all, like the
सोशली भी अगर देखें तो इंदौर अच्छा सिटी है, क्लीनेस्ट सिटी ऑफ इंडिया का खिताब भी मिला है।
नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू गुड इंडिया। क्या आपने भी सोचा है कि दिल्ली के अलावा कौन कौन सी सिटीज़ हैं इंडिया में जो रहने के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी हैं या इवन दिल्ली से बेटर हों? तो आइए इस वीडियो में देखते हैं। लेट्स गो। आपके हिसाब से इंडिया में रहने के लिए सबसे बेस्ट सिटी कौन सी है?
In my opinion, Delhi because of food and culture and यहाँ के लोगों की वजह से. That's why.
Itanagar because I mean like in Arunachal if we need some groceries and stuff, that's the only place where people can run to because there is it's the main place there.
I think it's Mizoram because the atmosphere is really refreshing.
Abhi recently I went to Chandigarh, so I found it really peaceful. So according to me, Chandigarh would be the best city to live in India.
I think Kashmir. I recently went there and I love the mountains and the vibe, to be very honest. So yeah.
I would say Chandigarh.
Oh my god.
So I've been born and brought up in Delhi, so I would definitely say Delhi. But if I was given an option, I would definitely want to live on the hills.
I will say Delhi because I've been living here for my whole entire life. Yes, I like Delhi even though it's like kind of messy and very dirty, but still it's home.
सिटी के हिसाब से बेसिकली स्टेट में तो मैं झारखंड में रहता हूँ, मैं झारखंड से बिलोंग करता हूँ। सिटी के हिसाब से मेरे लिए जमशेदपुर या रांची अच्छी सिटी है।
according to me, Pune will be the best option.
I think it's Indore. I really like the food there, and I think it's very clean. So I really like Indore.
So I'm a big Chole Bhature and Momo fan. So Delhi all the way.
Gujarat, I'll say, is perfect.
गुजरात आपको अच्छा लगा?
I think Gurgaon is doing much better than other cities. I've stayed in Bangalore, Mumbai, what else? Vellore. But I feel Delhi and Gurgaon has better infrastructure and is progressing much more than other cities.
अगर मैं एयर पोल्यूशन की बात करूं और बाकी इश्यूज़ की बात करूं तो दिल्ली तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है बिकॉज हम दिल्ली में खड़े हैं। सो इंदौर वन ऑफ द क्लीनेस्ट सिटी, अगर AQI की बात करें तो वह 50 के अंडर रहता है।
I feel also Delhi is the perfect place if you're into business and you love the work culture. But if you want to relax, of course, nothing better than either the hills or the beaches. So Goa or Himachal would be if you're trying to just relax and retire and be done. But if you're trying to grind every day, work, then Delhi is the place to be.
Best I'd say is Hyderabad. So like I've been to a number of cities. So preferably I'd say Hyderabad because the infrastructure over there is very very good. The roads are pretty broad, you know. And otherwise also the buildings and everything, the outlets that are there, that are pretty good. Otherwise like Mumbai, I kind of find mid actually because it's too crowded sometimes. And also in Bangalore also like you have seen recent times, right? It's not very welcoming, just not much actually, but I'd say it's still fun. But the weekends are pretty boring because if you're not going to drink, then there is nothing left to do. So if in that sense, I'd say Delhi is the best place because culturally it's pretty wide and you can find a number of people over here. So that's cool. And for Chennai also, so Chennai is also a very good place. So you can have a very good peace time over there because it's not too crowded also and the beaches are also pretty nice. So Chennai is also pretty cool.
तो पुणे के बारे में सबसे बेस्ट बात क्या है आपके हिसाब
मेरे
से?
को पुणे का सबसे बेस्ट वेदर लगता है। वेदर और वहाँ का जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है और आपका जो लोग के साथ जो रिलेशन है ना, आप अगर बात करोगे उससे तो आपको वो बेटर लगेगा। हाँ,
जमशेदपुर का अपना हिस्ट्री है, टाटा जमशेदजी वहीं से है और रांची अपना कैपिटल सिटी है, तो रांची में भी बहुत कुछ है। तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है वाइब अच्छी है और नेचर से चारों तरफ हम लोग सराउंडेड है। तो जैसे अभी दिल्ली में काफ़ी पॉल्यूटेड है, तो उस चीज़ से मैं थोड़ा मतलब अवॉइड करता हूँ।
Because it's gloomy there. I like gloomy season more, so that's why.
Is it clean, Mizoram?
Yeah, it is clean.
Chandigarh, and why?
Because it's the cleanest city and the nightlife is very enjoyable there, and there are very friendly clubs.
I mean, both are fine. It's not like it's very different. Itanagar is good for like Arunachal people because when they need like stuff, other stuff, they run to Itanagar to get stuff from there.
सोशली भी अगर देखें तो इंदौर अच्छा सिटी है, क्लीनेस्ट सिटी ऑफ इंडिया का खिताब भी मिला है। तो इंदौर को मैं मतलब फर्स्ट चॉइस पे रखना चाहूँगा एंड सेकेंडरी दैन मे बी साउथ में कोची हो गया, वहाँ पे भी AQI अच्छा है। नॉर्थ में तो दिल्ली में दिल्ली इज़ द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड सिटी। नोएडा भी पोल्यूटेड है, गुड़गांव भी पोल्यूटेड है, तो आई एम नॉट प्रेफर टू बी इन दिल्ली NCR।
What do you think about Delhi?
Delhi, it's okay. मतलब मैं तो रहती हूँ तो yeah, Delhi is good.
But is it livable?
It is. It is very livable because there's a lot more opportunity here than Mizoram.
Yeah, it's livable. It's very, it's, it's good.
Delhi is okay, nice. I love Delhi, but I can't wait to get out of here.
Why?
I don't know, it's just too crowded, I would say.
दिल्ली ऐसे मतलब वर्क पर्पस के लिए अच्छा है, घूमने फिरने के लिए ठीक है, लेकिन रहने के लिए अगर पूछोगे तो झारखंड बेस्ट है।
Just this. I mean, I like Hoskas. I come here all the time, so it's like kind of nice. I enjoy it. That's pretty much it.
Okay, and what about you?
Yeah, I would say Delhi as well because I spend most part of my life here only, and Delhi because it's a hotspot for culture, diversity, and everything, and you also have very cute cafes over here. You can go to MT Ama Cafe. It's got those. They're like good for. They're known for their desserts and their coffee.
What makes a city a good city?
I think people, I guess, respectness and all of that are there.
Cleanliness, the hospitality of the people, good food.
I guess the people. I mean, as long as people don't look at you weirdly and you feel comfortable. Yeah, so that's fine. Yeah.
Less crowd, I feel. A little less populated city and also less traffic. Yes.
दिल्ली में बहुत ट्रैफिक
बहुत ज़्यादा and also people.
वहाँ के पीपल, वहाँ का कल्चर, वहाँ के लोगों की सोच अपने स्टेट को लेके, बाहर वाले को लेके, और क्या है, बस आदमी अच्छे से बात कर ले, मिल ले, और क्या ही रखा चाहिए ज़िंदगी में।
So for me personally, I'd say it's infrastructure, good roads, okay, and then second would be cab availability and public transportation. So
Infrastructure.
yes, because the apartments that are there in Bangalore are just shit, so that's pretty bad. In Gurgaon, I found a lot of decent places. So I'd say infrastructure for me is the main criteria. Otherwise, also people are also that's there. That the different kind of people that you find in Delhi, it's very diverse compared to any other city. That's also one of the options.
पहली चीज़ तो बिकॉज हम 24/7 साफ़ हवा हमें चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन वी आर पंपिंग 24/7, इवन खाने से भी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो हवा साफ़ होनी चाहिए एंड वाटर कंटेमिनेशन का भी इशू काफ़ी बढ़ रहा है आजकल। तो पानी अच्छा होना चाहिए जो हम पीते हैं। उसके अलावा थोड़ा सोशल होना, लोगों को मतलब सोशल हो, अच्छा हो। तो सोशल में तो दिल्ली वन ऑफ द गुड सिटी, मतलब लोग सोशल हैं, घूमते हैं, मिलते हैं, पार्टीज़ होती हैं।
क्या आपको लगता है दिल्ली के लोग फ्रेंडली हैं?
ऑब्वियसली हाँ, दिल्ली के लोग फ्रेंडली हैं, नो डाउट।
I think infra is definitely one, and I think the people are is again a very important aspect. So I think Delhi, Gurgaon, it's not very safe for females to go out late in the night, but I think Indore, Bangalore, these cities have, I think from that perspective, it's actually really good.
Also there's safety, like also other factors like pollution and all, like the road conditions, and also Bangalore I think worse in that thing, in traffic and all, and Mumbai also. So in comparison to that, I think Delhi is better. But if we say about pollution, then obviously everyone knows about NCR, like what is the pollution level. So yeah,
I think there are 4 to 5 things which people usually evaluate. One is where their family and friends are. Based on that, a lot of decisions are made. Plus, where your job is, which I feel again Bangalore and some southern cities are leading across India. But I would personally want like North to also flourish and pursue a similar path.
तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि आज की वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी. प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, क्योंकि उससे हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन मिलती है कि हम ये काम करते रहें. थैंक यू. गुड बाय.